We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see your model number and serial number right here. And if you want to go to bradfordwhite.com, hit the register button, give them the serial number and all your contact information, get your warranty going on this product. Up top, starting with the vent, that's all existing. You got an existing Bradford White on the left. That's not ours. Ours is the one on the right. And someone else had installed this, put some plywood down there. Must have been some damage to the stand, so that's not ours. Well, and of course, serial number is the one we installed there. Anyways, venting was already installed up there. What we did is we replaced this 90 at the bottom. The piping was a little bit short, and then just tied it back in, so no big deal there. It did have a ball valve on it already, and it is it's the same one we use. It's a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve, so quarter turn off, quarter turn on, and it's already stubbed out. You got galvanized coming out of the wall, but that's piping that's attached inside the wall, so we don't do anything there. We did give you new Falcon stainless steel connectors, 3/4 inch inside diameter. That's the largest in the industry. They're pretty expensive, but that's what we like, that's what we use. Coming down to a stainless steel 90. The reason we install fitting down here is we've got a heat trap that's in here. It's made of plastic, and there's a little bit of a conflict between the rubber gasket that sits inside of here and that heat trap. And so to remedy that, what we do is we just screw a pipe fitting on here, and this is 304 stainless steel, not galvanized. And then this seats real good against this nice flat surface on this fitting. Same thing on the hot side. Pipe nipple was stubbed out already, not ours. Falcon stainless steel connector down to a stainless steel 90, actually a street 90, female by male. And so that's tied in, that's good. Relief lines tied back in. This is brand new, comes with the unit. This is temperature and pressure. It's a safety relief valve. It ties into a drain line right there and drops down and goes outside of the building on your side, on the side of your house here. So anything going on with this unit, it goes up too much temperature, too much pressure, this is going to pop off and drain out. And so if you do start getting water out of there, it'll be kind of hard to tell which one's having the issue because you've got two lines tied in. But so that's tied back in. We did give you a brand new adjustable strap at the top. You can see they've got one on this one as well. But so upper third adjustable strap, lower third adjustable strap. Brand new gas line coming from existing shutoff valve, going over here, tying in. And then the controller's got set at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. We leave it there for liability purposes. EPA recommends 120 and below for scalding risk, and you can read it right there. Scalding risk increases with hotter water. You can turn this up. This is A is 130, B 140, and these are all approximate values. C 150 very hot, 160. So at B 140, you're gonna get 3rd-degree burns in 3 seconds. If you're elderly or infant, almost immediately because of the thin skin. Or we work in hospice centers, retirement facilities, places where you have patients that have Alzheimer's or some type of problems retaining memory, so they don't remember that hot water is hot. They leave their hands in there and get burned. So that's why it's there, and that's why we video it as well. Turn it up to here. It'll give you hotter water, and of course that will benefit you. And by the way, CDC recommends 140 to prevent bacteria from growing in the tank if it's stored. If you don't have constant water flowing through the units and it's just sitting there storing the water at 120 and below, or at 120, you're going to start developing bacteria in the tank, and then of course you could get sick. But that's if this were just to sit in a you know, the burner was off and it never reheated again, so you would get bacteria in that tank. Anyways, all of that to say, you can turn it up to here. CDC recommends 140, but that's up to you. Again, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So this is lit about an hour and a half. You'll have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.